Hello. Today we're whisked away to Vienna, Austria's captivating capital. Vienna is a city where history whispers from every cobblestone street. Grand palaces and ornate gardens await your discovery. This city promises a journey through time and a feast for the senses. Our walking tour begins in the heart of the city. Get ready to immerse yourselves in Vienna's unique charm. We'll wander through bustling markets and elegant squares, prepared to be amazed by architectural masterpieces. Vienna's beauty lies in its details. Take your time to soak it all in. Notice the intricate facades and the playful gargoyles peering down at you. Vienna is a city best experienced on foot. This allows you to uncover hidden courtyards and charming cafes. Are you ready to embark on this unforgettable adventure? Let's begin our exploration of Vienna, one step at a time. Our first stop is the vibrant Naschmarkt. This bustling market has been a Viennese institution for centuries. Imagine a kaleidoscope of colors and aromas. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. Stalls overflow with fresh produce from the Austrian countryside. Local cheeses and cured meats tempt you with their delicious smells. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Take your time to explore the market's hidden treasures. Sample Austrian specialties like Käsekrainer, a cheese-filled sausage. Indulge in a warm Apfelstrudel, a flaky pastry filled with apples and cinnamon. Don't forget to try a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. The Naschmarkt is more than just a market. It's a melting pot of cultures. Here, Viennese tradition meets international flair. Grab lunch at one of the many restaurants lining the market. You can find everything from traditional Austrian cuisine to Vietnamese pho. From the lively atmosphere of Naschmarkt, we stroll towards Innenstadt, the beating heart of Vienna. This is Vienna's historic city centre, a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. The area is a treasure trove of architectural wonders and cultural landmarks. Elegant buildings with Baroque facades line the streets, each telling a story of the city's grand past. Horse-drawn carriages add a touch of old-world romance, making you feel as if you've stepped back in time. Our destination is the Vienna State Opera House, a symbol of the city's rich musical heritage and a beacon for music lovers worldwide. This architectural masterpiece has hosted countless legendary performances, from grand operas to mesmerizing ballets. Imagine the music of Mozart, Strauss, and Beethoven filling the air, transporting you to a different era. Even if you don't have time to attend a performance, the Opera House is worth a visit for its sheer architectural beauty. Take a guided tour to admire its opulent interiors, where every corner exudes elegance and history. Marvel at the grand staircase and the stunning auditorium, both of which are masterpieces in their own right. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a rehearsal in progress, offering a behind-the-scenes look at the magic of opera. The area surrounding the Opera House is equally impressive, filled with historical buildings and vibrant street life. Luxury boutiques and cafes beckon you to linger, offering a perfect blend of shopping and relaxation. Our journey continues to Michaelerplatz, a historic square that has witnessed centuries of Viennese history. This square is not just a place but a living museum, where every corner tells a story of the past. Here, you'll find the entrance to the Hofburg Palace, the former winter residence of the Habsburg emperors. This grand entrance has seen countless royal processions and state ceremonies. The Hofburg Palace is a sprawling complex of buildings, courtyards, and gardens. Each section of the palace has its own unique history and architectural style, reflecting the various periods of its construction. It's a testament to the power and grandeur of the Habsburg dynasty. The palace stands as a symbol of their influence and the cultural heritage they left behind. Take a moment to admire the palace's impressive facade. The intricate details and majestic design are a true reflection of Baroque architecture. Imagine the emperors and empresses who once walked through these very gates. Their presence still lingers in the air, adding a sense of mystique to the place. We'll step inside the palace to explore the Imperial Apartments. These rooms are a window into the opulent world of the Habsburgs. These rooms offer a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the Habsburgs. Each room is adorned with luxurious furnishings and exquisite artwork. Marvel at the opulent decor, the intricate tapestries, and the sparkling chandeliers. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to showcase the wealth and taste of the imperial family. It's like stepping back in time to the days of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. The ambience of these rooms transports you to an era of elegance and sophistication. Before we leave Michaelerplatz, take a moment to appreciate the architectural diversity of the square. The blend of different styles tells the story of Vienna's evolution through the ages. From the Roman ruins to the Baroque St. Michael's Church, this square reflects Vienna's rich and layered past. Each structure adds a unique chapter to the narrative of this historic city. The Hofburg, with its majestic architecture and historical significance, serves as a gateway to some of the most remarkable art collections in the world. The Hofburg isn't just a former imperial residence, it's also home to a treasure trove of art and history. Within its walls, you'll find an array of galleries and exhibits that showcase the rich cultural heritage of Vienna. Next, we'll venture to the Museumsquartier, a sprawling complex of museums, art galleries, and cultural institutions. This vibrant area is a hub of creativity and innovation, where contemporary art meets historical masterpieces. This is the perfect place to immerse yourself in Vienna's contemporary art scene. The Museumsquartier hosts a variety of exhibitions and events that showcase the latest trends in art and culture. Explore the Leopold Museum, home to a renowned collection of Austrian art. Here you'll find works by famous Austrian artists such as Egon Schiele and Gustav Klimt, whose innovative styles have left a lasting impact on the art world. The Museumsquartier is more than just a collection of museums. It's a vibrant cultural hub where art, music, and performance come together to create a unique and inspiring atmosphere. It's a vibrant public space where locals and visitors come together. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just looking for a place to relax, the Museumsquartier has something for everyone. Relax in one of the courtyard cafes. These charming spots offer a perfect setting to unwind and soak in the artistic ambience of the area. Enjoy a picnic on the grassy lawns. The open spaces provide a serene environment to enjoy a leisurely afternoon amidst the creative energy of the Museumsquartier. Soak up the creative energy of this cultural hub. The Museumsquartier is a testament to Vienna's commitment to fostering a thriving art scene, making it a must-visit destination for anyone passionate about art and culture.